Hello everyone, this is Chandan. Now I'm going to explain my seventh programming network, that is virtual LAN. In virtual LAN, the aim is to configure intra and inter LAN using packet tracer. So I use a Cisco packet tracer and created the topology. So I'll first say the difference between intra and inter VLAN. So in intra VLAN, what happens is I have three pieces of through one switch and three pieces in another switch. So the PC1 and PC4. When this pings from PC1 to PC4, it is called intra VLAN. So when it pings from PC1 to PC6 also, it is inter VLAN. So what I have done actually is I have already created my intra VLAN and then I checked it's working. So I changed it from intra to inter VLAN, that's the same topology. Uh, and these are commands which you use for intra VLAN actually. In intra VLAN, we give the LAN command as 10 for the first one, and I use for student 20 and guest as 30. I named it as faculty, right? Okay. This is because in the topology in that example we are given as faculty here, so I use the same topology as faculty, and we use switch port mode access, so it switches the mode and give access for VLAN 10, right? Okay. And for coming to inter VLAN, so when we give for LAN 10, we need to access LAN 20 and LAN 30 also. As I told you, if you are using from PC1, you can ping this two also, not only PC4. The same way, we should configure for each PC in different LANs. After that, we need to use the switch port access as we use in intra VLAN, and then give the IP address of it. Afterwards, no shutdown as we know, and we need to ping it and see whether it's working or not. That's it. So when it pings from PC1 to PC5 or PC6, it shows that it is inter VLAN. So I'll open my Cisco packet tracer. I'm opening my PC5 desktop and pinging. I want to ping to guest. So I use ping, that is 172.17.30. Actually, yeah, 30.23. See, we can see that immediately pinging the data, and we can see that the send data is 4 and received is 4. So what it is, the data is being pinged perfectly. As I told you, it's intervalent, so some student can access any of this faculty, student or guest. In intravalent, it is only like students can access only student. That's the difference. And I showed me how it's working perfectly. Thank you for watching my video.